In today's video, I will teach you how to create a custom AI avatar from a photo. Let's get started. First, go to Photo or AI Photo Editor using your web browser. Then click Upload to add your image. And for best results, make sure to use a clear front-facing photo with good lighting. In the left panel, click on the Beauty tab. And under AI Smart Tools, select AI Avatar. Now we're going to choose your avatar style. On the AI Avatar panel, you can explore 5 unique avatar styles: Ghibli art, minifigure, caricature, Sailor Woman, and Sailor Man. So click on each style to preview how your image transforms, and try different ones until you find your favorite. Now click the Compare button at the bottom right to see the before and after. And once you're happy with your custom avatar, hit download to save it to your device. A pro tip is using your avatar for profile pictures, online bios, making stickers, or social media posts for a fun and eye-catching twist. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.